If you have cataracts, what should look like this looks like this instead. This blurry or cloudy vision can stop you from doing the things you love, so let's fix it, why don't we? I'm at Barnet, Dulaney, Perkins this morning. It's a very well-known name in eye care, and I'm talking with Dr. Asota. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me on your show, Heidi.
When we're talking about cataracts and getting rid of them, we're really talking about a quality of life issue because they can get in the way of us doing what we want to do.
Absolutely. I mean, vision is so important for everything that we do every single day. And so cataracts will impair your ability to do all those things that you love to do. Taking care of those cataracts will actually help you with your activities of daily living.
I mean, we're talking about reading, driving. I mean, our independence could really be dependent on whether or not we have cataracts.
Absolutely. I mean, patients are living longer and living more active lives. Patients are driving their grandkids around in the day and night. Patients are going to restaurants, reading menus, playing pickleball or golf. And so in order to maintain that lifestyle, it's really important to make sure that patients see their best.
So when we have this cataract surgery, you guys remove the cataract, but it can also help with nearsightedness, farsightedness, like other eye conditions that require people to wear glasses. We could maybe ditch the glasses with this.
Absolutely. Technology has made it so that with cataract surgery, we're not only fixing the vision, but we're also giving patients a range of vision and also improving the quality of the vision that they currently have. And so with cataract surgery, when we take those cataracts out, we can implant lens implants that give you distance vision, give you intermediate like computer, and also give you a reading like your phone or print.
It really is a game changer. Show me what we're looking at here. This would be an eye with a very bad cataract in it, right?
Most patients will not at least in the US, will not get to this point before they come to see an eye doctor. But it's a clouding of your natural lens, as you can see. And typically with cataract surgery, we will take that lens out and replace it with an artificial lens implant in its place.
Walk me through that surgery. It's pretty quick. I mean, the technology with this has come leaps and bounds in the last couple of decades.
Absolutely. Cataract surgery is really less than 15 minutes. Outpatient surgery, typically we give you sedation. So even though you're awake for surgery, you don't care that you're there. So you're not put to sleep. There's no general anesthesia. Someone will bring you to your appointment, right?
Okay.
And basically there's no pain with cataract surgery.
Amazing.
Very small incisions, no sutures are usually required. We use gentle ultrasound to take that cataract out, put a lens implant in its place. You go home the same day. Recovery is usually pretty quick. There's really little downtime.
Okay.
24 to 48 hours, patients are usually seeing much better.
It seems like a no biggie kind of thing. Yeah, okay. So, and it's very common too. So if you're at home and you're thinking, well, I'm seeing this, or maybe you have an aging parent who's having this happen, the statistics show by age 80 or older, more than 50% of Americans will either have them or have had surgery to remove them. It's an aging issue, typically.
Typically, yes. For most patients that have cataract surgery, who have cataracts in general, typically it's because it's an aging change, right? But there are patients that will experience cataracts for other reasons, medical conditions such as diabetes, steroids, so medications can cause cataracts. There are patients who are born with cataracts, so congenital cataracts as well. And trauma or even other eye surgeries can cause cataracts.
Right. So even if you're below the typical range, if you're starting to see that cloudy vision happening, get your eyes checked.
Absolutely. Most patients will be screened by their primary care physicians or providers, right? And also on a general eye exam with an eye doctor. Once the cataracts are identified, they're typically referred to an eye surgeon or an ophthalmologist that will perform the cataract surgery.
Okay. Can they come back? Can cataracts come back after you have this done?
Great question. So yes and no, in the sense that the cataract itself doesn't come back. When we take the cataract out, we take the contents of the sac that holds the cataract in place, so your natural lens in place, and we put that lens implant in that sac. Over time, that sac can wrinkle, causing you to feel like your cataract is coming back, blurry vision again.
Okay.
Once that happens, a simple procedure, laser to clear that film, and your vision is back.
Good to go.
It never comes back.
It is fascinating. Thank you so much for sharing that. I'm kind of nerding out over this whole procedure. I love it. If you would like more information about cataracts and the treatments for them, call the number on your screen or visit goodeyes.com.